to do whatever you were doing, Bleak. I brought the cricket.
Wow. Wait, is that mine then? Oh, thank you. My crickets are selling.
No, fuck you, man. It's so mean to me. What did I ever do to you? When are you coming to Australia?
Yeah, when are you coming?
Guys, we should do a massive Australian meetup with Bleak because he's just the center
He's
of
not
everyone's
Australian.
party. I mean, I think you're amazing. Alright. I thought Prav said that for a second and I was just like, what?
I know that's something Prav will say.
What? Prav would never say that to
In
me.
like a sarcastic way.
I guess you could.
Childhood
But thanks,
pick.
big boy.
Do you have any more childhood picks?
I don't think I have any more childhood pics.
But you have a childhood pick redemption.
I will find one and bring it up somewhere. But yeah, guys.
How has you been?
We asked that already. Wow, why wouldn't I say you're amazing? Because you're like the meanest person ever, Prav. Wow. Fuck! I need to get rid of this.
I don't think you've done any of your muzz.
I just don't know how to muzz, guys. Watch me muzz.
That's actually good.
Do. Alright, cool. That's it. Yeah. Would you guys like to watch us bake? I'm the meanest person ever. Yes, you are. No, because... But Bleak, none of the things you do matter. You're just...
Didn't you just say our life revolves
Oh, wait,
around
jokes. Our
him?
life revolves around Bleak. So when Bleak comes to Australia, we'll have a whole Bleak meetup. That's all I get for 10k. Wait, I want to change my channel things.
Actually, we'll come to you, Blake.
Yeah, we'll come to you.
We're gonna go to New Zealand soon.
Wait,
Are
but
we
yeah,
not?
we
Oh,
will,
okay.
we will. Can you meet us in South Island
Yeah.
if we go? Oh wait, isn't that a bit of a trek for him though?
I thought he was in South Island. Is he not?
Wait, is he in Christchurch?
I thought he was in...
Oh yeah, he was with the seals, aren't he?
Yeah.
Go back to the fuck you, Bleak attitude, please. What do you mean? Bleak is the center of everyone's lives. I love Bleak so much. Guys, where would we all be without Bleak?
This
Should
is
we go
a Blake
around
appreciation stream now.
yeah, in a circle and
Alright.
talk about one thing we love about Bleak?
Okay, you can go first.
I just love Bleak's name. It just reminds me that there is always light to whatever year I'm living in.
Wait, isn't the opposite if it's bleak?
Yeah, but it's
What,
just
contrast?
yeah, it's just a contrast. It's like I'm just trying to be really like, you know, look into the bigger picture here and analyze his name in like a literary sense. Your
Cool.
turn.
I appreciate Blake because he puts Min in her place.
Wait.
Okay, next.
Next, alright, Brad, what do you love about Blake? Alright, I guess not here. Brad has nothing much to say.
Sorry, Blake. Blake.
How about you, people? What do you love about Blake? I guess no one really has much to say about you, Blake.
Sorry.
But it's okay.
We still love you.
We still love you, and that's all that
Yeah.
matters. Please just spam me proud. Well, no. But yeah, guys, isn't this like the good old days where we just sit here streaming, doing absolutely shit all?
Blake is a nice guy. Yeah, he's pretty nice.
Well, I guess that concludes it.
Yeah. Anything else? Any other comments? Blake, why don't you say something you appreciate about yourself?
Yeah.
Since no one else wants to.
This is why my name is Super. This is shit I didn't do with Sag.
Nice Dickies. What's Dickies?
I don't know, my sweater.
Is it brand?
It's like, don't think it's a brand.
Oh.
I think it is actually. It's like popular in
I kind
Korea.
of thought it was like a Dixon thing.
Like I got it in one of the streets. Like,
Yeah. Okay, we compliment now. Yeah, let's all
no,
compliment.
fuck off.
Yeah, that's a roast.
I think it's easy.
Like a cider thing.
What's up?
What? Oh!
I get it.
Nah, I get it. Alright, I get it.
Dickies pants is common with skating. Like ice skating. Oh, you mean like roller skating?
Skateboarding. Oh yeah, didn't you say that you were taking up skating these days? Oh, actually, I wanted to ask you about the VFX thing that you said you were doing. How's that? What do you do in that? Is it like you animate kind of thing? Or is it like just effects like CGA? Oh, that's cool. Wait, where do you learn it from?
Right, she was actually legit considering
I actually
it.
wanted to do it. But then I didn't have like a... Oh, but you do! Don't you do like something design? So I guess you would have a portfolio. Right.